My country people, on a good morning, on a good afternoon, on a good evening, depending on where they watch this video from or when you take come across this video. My name is Igminovia Osamodame, and I the report for Edo CBC. Today, I come monitor the work when one of Edo CBC viewer give Oga water collector man. Oga, well done, sir.
Good to see you, pal. Domasa.
You feel remind correct for your name and your work again.
My name is Nelson. I dey do water collector. I dey into installation of water collector.
Okay. Oga, na one of the work wey come through Edo CBC be this.
Yes, now one of the work we come through is this.
Oga, you don finish the work, abi you still dey do am?
As the work dey now, right now, as you can see, the meeting don finish.
Okay, you don finish the work.
Yeah.
Okay. Na water collector now you come install.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this house now, na square meter na take do am, abi na how na take do am?
Now see measurement we measure am.
Okay.
Give my just colors as at it's not on Saturday, right?
Okay.
On Saturday. Then we got the material that same. She sent money on that Saturday night. We do the business around. Na night she take on me. Be like say she no dey this country.
Okay.
So as she say send the money of that Saturday, I went to market and I started the job. And today is Monday.
Yeah. So on Saturday night the person send money come.
Yes.
And today you don finish am, will be Monday.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Oh yeah, my country people, make una just bear with us. The weather for this part don't drop so much, but now what we must do, good say if person do work, we go see show now on our see how it be. We can just bear with the weather. Although we go see the marvelous job where your God do for this house. Okay. This part now, the side of the house with this.
The side of the house is. This side, from that side now two dropping.
Okay, now two dropping under this side.
And this side.
Okay, what about that part for back?
Another one still did the back.
Okay, we could first check this two dropping. Okay. This color, so this black color, so now get and I choose and be now you choose the color for her.
Before you be the same white in each so me go see convince and say mama now black now the fine pass. Now she say okay. See why the black will see the okay will fit the house. And as you can see, the black mature.
Very well. If you even they look and I know they be like say something today.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Look. Okay. My country people, as I talk, I say I come monitor the work. We one of those CBC viewer give Oga Nelson, that plumber we did for that water collector man we did for Edo CBC. Okay. I see another dropping with this.
Yes. See the stopper for there, you see am. And that one I did stop. So okay. That one I did connect come this side.
Okay, as that up be now, okay, that one way they up. Now then the water go they follow the entire this other one way they done so.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Okay, another drop is this side.
Another drop because got out there.
Okay. Okay. What about the back? Drop is the back?
Yes.
Okay.
So as you can see from here now, the way we take one, the slope come like this, so drop in there.
Okay. Una they see the bend and they come down so that make the water they flow.
Yes. No be say with the bend like that. The parapet structure. That really matters. Because
okay.
If the parapet go up and we bend and you go off.
Okay.
So now the parapet as you pour water from here, if rain fall, they go that side.
Okay. Oh. Okay. My country people, this one is one of the work we come through Edo CBC and Oga Nelson, the water collector man. He don't deliver the job.
Listen, I hate drop.
Okay. So I see another drop for the back.
Yes, for the back.
Okay. And they come make I show country people reach down. They see them. Okay. Okay, now this thing so now the water go they follow they come down.
They come down, yes.
my country people, if you see this house now, although say they don't dey dark for this side, you see am say e take am well. See am with the parapet. E come give am another very good shape.
Even cover on to the SSA.
Yeah.
Not you go fit enter from this side.
From here, yes. See am, e just slap. Okay, we could follow around.
Another one still there.
Okay, another stopper.
Yes. Another drop.
Okay, I drop another the column.
Yes, drop.
Drop, okay. Where the water go, they follow, they come down.
Yes, sir. Another one still there.
Okay. Okay.
Another one still here.
Wow. So I see another one.
Yes.
Okay, like this house now, this round. Now, how many dropper you put?
Now this house now.
Yeah.
House now 8 total.
Okay, 8
So
drop.
1, 2, 3, 3 there, then 8. Everything is 8.
Okay, we could go the front. We could show country for finish. Make them for see the way the house can be with the parapet. Okay, my country people, I still deal with Oga the water collector man. It don't take us round, although say they don't dark for this side small, but when I go see them, very neat. And it take how many days for you to do this house?
2 days.
2 days.
Yeah.
Okay. Now some of the materials with that, some of the cut off.
Very man.
Okay. Now which kind of material with this one? Because now we rain wanted to the fall, so not the material where breeze go your blow. The water collector, everything go your fall.
No, you know for.
Okay.
Yeah. It was for. Like I said earlier in the first video posted, I promised those CDC that the material where they supply now one of the best material with the market.
Yes.
Like as you can see here now because they don't see dark.
Mm.
And the same material where I show you that day, where I tell you see now brew waste material
Okay.
now you did.
Can I see with this one?
Yes, now I see use.
Okay.
So, yeah. Okay. The other one we did there now the dropping, the same product, the same quality.
Okay. Just bring the drop it come, make country people for see. Don't say don't be up now.
It's not for you.
Okay.
It's not on the drop.
It is very thick.
Yes. It.
Okay. Like this house now, with this length, so then how much you take do one? And the person will get the house, now buy material be na contract and you take carry am.
Like this one on our contract I take carry on.
Okay, now you buy the material.
I me buy material, buy everything.
Wow. Okay. Now how much you take carry am for contract?
Like this one now 280. So I will tell her price before about 300 something. So we negotiate and we later arrive at the price of 280,000 naira.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now 280,000 naira. Now you just do this fine job for this person.
Yes.
Wow. Now you buy everything.
Both transportation, both labor and everything.
So
and as you can see,
yeah.
the drop in many.
Yes.
So we really do our work.
Okay. Guys, in the house we see big parts like this, okay?
Now see that one. Now the measurement now really matters.
Okay.
So we still measure it, and we work towards the measurement.
Okay. Now wait. Now the measurement now will determine the price.
The price, yes.
Okay. If like the house we see small pass this one, okay?
You will still come down.
You will still come down fast like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Except say the owner say you need more higher quality material. Like I said in the first video, I told you that we have US standard. The person will say you want to use the US standard for your house.
Okay, that
So-
US standard there past this one.
Yes. It did well.
Okay. But this one still did very good.
Yeah, this one did very good.
Because this one I mean they always see for people as well. And then considering the way where you take fix this one, it did very neat. Although say they don't the dark for this year small. Can people go to see and say truly na very fine job now you do for you. Oh yeah, Oga can't give country people your phone number in case of those who see this job. We won't give you any other work we concern water collector. Oh yeah, give them your phone number.
My phone number now 0811-590-3256. That is my major WhatsApp number.
Call them again.
0811-590-3256.
Okay. My country people, as I talked before, I say I come monitor the work. We one of Edo CBC viewer give Oga Nelson the water collector man for Edo CBC. You don't deliver the job. Oga, this the person will give you this work. So he know you before.
No, now from Edo CDC.
He just see you for Edo CBC. He just send you money.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, my country people, believe me, anywhere where your site dey across Nigeria, we dey go. Anything wey concern water collector for your house, Oga Nelson dey there gidigba to do one for you. Send that money. If you reach there, he measure am for you, and the measurement wey come out, na go determine the price wey go give you for your house. Oga Nelson number go dey display for the under for this video, while Edo CBC number go dey display for on top of this video. If you wan give am work and you wan make Edo CBC dey there to monitor am, as we dey do for this person, so contact us. Our number go dey the under for this video. My country people, tonight the first time when they come across this page, make no forget to like, comment, and also share this broadcast. My country people, una do. My name is Siri Menik Benovia Samudame, and I dey report for Edo CBC.
I do.